Hello, and thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to turn off or on gifted subs in the Twitch app using your Android phone. Whether you want to control spending or support streamers selectively, this video will show you exactly how to manage gifted subscriptions. First, open the Twitch app on your Android phone. Make sure you're signed in and then go to the Profile section. Next, scroll down and tap on Account Settings. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Stream Manager. Now, scroll down until you find the Gifted Subs option. Finally, you can simply toggle the switch to turn gifted subs on or off according to your preference. That's all it takes to manage your gifted subscription settings on Twitch. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more tech tips. Feel free to drop your questions or suggestions in the comments. See you in the next video.